This episode of J Baylock Tutorials is brought to you by Music Nations Network.
What's going on YouTube? This your boy Jeff Baylock here with J Baylock Tutorials. And we're going to make you funny, and we're going to start right now. Welcome back to another tutorial on comedy. Comedy, one of the most purest forms of entertainment on the planet. It can make you or break you. It can make you money. It can make you, kind of famous, you feel me? Now, I know in a previous video that I taught y'all that your opening joke can make you or break you. Now, understand this. I have another tip for you guys today. This is one of the most effective tips. It's a little bit on the hard and difficult side because it requires you to think on the fly, but I think you can do it. That style is called riffing. Now, what riffing is basically a comic before you or comics says a joke, whether it was funny or unfunny, and basically you come behind them, repeat the joke, and then you give your version of their joke. Now, keep in mind, this is not joke jacking. What joke jacking is you're going up stage and you completely telling a whole comic's joke, but you're not giving them recognition for it. You're pretty much saying it like as though it was yours, but it's not. No, what riffing is, you address the situation and you giving a different version, sort of like in a comedy technique called the mix, where you said your joke, setup, and punchline, and then you take that punchline and you say another version of that. You mix it up a little bit. Perfect example of this is I went to this open mic and a guy got on stage and he clearly says this. This is not my joke. This is his joke. He said, "White women's vagina tastes like cat litter." Now, people didn't laugh. It was not funny whatsoever. But to me, I thought about it like, I think I can make that funny. And of course, when you take somebody's joke and it's unfunny and you make it funny, even though you embarrass them, it's still funny because it's being addressed. And it pretty much falls back into the category of calling the room. I was like, how can I make this joke funny? So I got up there and I was like, hey, my man got up here. He said, "White women vagina tastes like cat litter." I only slept with one white woman in my entire life, and I got it. You was eating cats after they hit the litter box. Biggest laughs I ever had before I even said any jokes. Even the person that said the joke was laughing. He was like, haha, okay, I. And that's pretty much it. It's more effective if the person's joke was not funny and then you find a way to make it funny, because it shows how creative it is. It shows you how quick you can think on your feet, and it's amazing. Now, keep in mind, this is effective if a person's joke is funny. Granted that you have another version of that funny that's even better than that funny, if that makes any sense. Other than that, man, you gotta practice this. You have to go to open mics and practice it, come up on the fly and everything. And it's a really effective way to open up the crowd and let them warm up to you. And also embarrassing other comics in the process. If you are a comic or you're trying to get started in comic and if I left anything out, make sure you put that in the comment section below. Comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so you can get more on how to improve your comedy. I'm Jeff Baylock here with J Baylock Tutorials, signing off. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all be easy, be well, and let's make them laugh. Thank you.